We're about to show you how to make some awesome Scottish eggs that you haven't seen before. So here we're gonna quickly remove the yolk just like that. You gotta squeeze like that. We're gonna put them here and grab a little of this maple syrup and come right inside like this. Fill that up. Move on this way. Got our sausage ball right here. Smash it just like this. Now it should be ready to come off, and there it goes. Let's get it out of the way, and we come through with a spatula to move it over right over here on this plastic. That's going to help us wrap it up. We got our eggs filled with our maple syrup. Close it up, wrap it up just like this, all four corners, and give it a little twist. And here we go, just like this. Twist it up into a ball. There we go. Here we go. And open it easily. Place it right here with the others. Boom. Move on to the bread. I'm going to cut like this. Let's go ahead and grab one of these balls here, just like that. And we're going to place it here. Press it down gently. Roll it just a bit that way, press down, and we come back and roll like this, guys. Check it out, just like that. These here that are falling off, just stick them, press down. We have a nice beautiful Scottish egg with the others. Look at that beauty. I'm gonna brush them with butter real quick, a little melted butter like this, and we brush. And we are off to the oven, guys. Let's take these babies away and we'll be right back. We are back from the oven with these beauties. We're gonna place them here, and then it's hot. Carefully, we're gonna grab this and bring it right on to this mayo and yolk mix. We used all the egg. We're gonna go ahead and place it on there. Got a little bacon. I'm gonna sprinkle just like this, and some chives. There we go. Look at that, guys. Looks beautiful, smells delicious. Guys, let's check out the inside. So beautiful. I don't want to cut, but I'm gonna have to, because that's the point. And here we go. Wow. Let's go ahead and open that baby up. All you gotta do now is enjoy. Beautiful, guys.